Your 2021-2024 Toyota 4Runner key fob uses a CR232 battery. A weak battery causes reduced range less than 10 feet, intermittent function, or failure to start the vehicle. Replacing it yourself saves time and money compared to a dealer visit. Expect to replace the battery every 1 to 2 years with average use or 6 to 12 months with heavy remote usage. Newer models may allow battery health checks via the Toyota app. This video guides you through the DIY process. All Toyota 4Runner key fobs from 2021 to 2024 models, regardless of trim level, use a single type of battery. It's a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, which is readily available and inexpensive, costing between $1 and $5. Make sure to purchase a genuine CR2032 from a reputable source to avoid counterfeit batteries, which can lead to premature failure. Always check the battery's expiration date before installing it. You'll need minimal tools for this task: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Using a plastic tool is recommended to prevent scratches or damage to the key fob casing. Optionally, have some electrical tape on hand to protect surfaces and secure the fob during the process. Locate the small gap on the side of the key fob, usually between the key ring attachment and the remote buttons. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the gap. Apply even pressure to pry the fob open. Avoid using excessive force, which can crack the plastic housing. Work slowly and carefully. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. You can use tweezers or gently tilt the fob to dislodge the battery. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive plus side typically faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing the same direction. After inserting the new battery, snap the key fob back together. Ensure the casing is securely closed to prevent moisture or dust from entering. Now test all the fob's functions to ensure everything works properly. Press the lock and unlock buttons to verify the vehicle responds. Test the panic button, and if your model has it, try starting the engine remotely. If the key fob doesn't respond, don't proceed to reprogramming immediately. First, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up. If the key fob doesn't function after replacing the battery, it may need reprogramming to sync with your vehicle. To reprogram, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob repeatedly, about 5 to 10 times within 10 seconds. The vehicle will confirm with lights or horn sounds. Consult your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions, as they may vary slightly by model year. Be aware of the 2024 recall with ENTSA campaign ID 24V123. This addressed software glitches in keyless entry systems that could cause rapid battery drain in affected 2023 to 2024 Toyota 4Runners. To resolve this, ensure your vehicle has received the free software update at a Toyota dealership. This fix prevents the software glitches from causing unnecessary battery drain. To avoid common mistakes when replacing your key fob battery, work in a static-free environment. Electrostatic discharge can damage the delicate circuit board inside the fob. Dispose of old batteries responsibly by recycling them at electronics stores. This prevents environmental harm from hazardous materials in the batteries. Urban drivers may experience faster battery drain due to frequent use of the remote in busy areas. Be aware of your usage patterns and check the battery more often. Consider premium CR2032 batteries for extended life. They offer better performance and longer lifespan compared to basic batteries. If you're not comfortable with DIY replacement, take it to a dealer. Professional service typically costs between $50 and $100 and includes proper reprogramming.